Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Job Sharing Series. Basically, what does we do? We share a couple of job links which is available for the cybersecurity. So this is the first opening that we have, which is in the company. I don't know who is hiring for, but this is what they want. VAPT Gurgaon, 2 to 5 years experience required, full time, right? And like freshers can also apply for this role, and you can see the skills which is required, VAPT skills, right? And all those things you can see here. And by the way, this is what you need to mention in your subject line, right? And this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Guys, please cross check whenever you apply for any role because this is Gmail, so just make sure before applying, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for SOC or web application pen testing, just check out the above URL. You will get 100% internship. Next opening is in Demisto Technology. They're hiring for the cybersecurity, which is in Telhaj, Ahmedabad. Two openings are there. 3+ years of experience is required. Senior cybersecurity consultant, and they're hiring for senior cybersecurity consultant and cybersecurity consultant. Right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and who can work with them. You can see all those things here, right? And hand-on experience managing cybersecurity project under certain impaneled company, what they want, right? Now, someone is hiring for developer uh, window. Okay, so this is basically they want who can do research in antivirus and EDR, endpoint detection and response. I hope you know what is that mean. Hands-on experience on C2 framework is required. 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop it. Right. Next is someone is hiring for security engineer, VAPT, 0 2 years of experience is required. 1 to 3 years of experience is required in cybersecurity engineer. Salary is what you can see here, and the other key responsibility, guys. And this is mail ID on which you can drop it. Next is freshers only. Someone is hiring for AI for Cybers, SOC Analyst, and this is what info at AI for Cyber.com is the company who's like heading, right? This is absolute fresher job, so you can do, guys, those who are fresher. Next is manage or cybersecurity operation role, 100% remote, operate Eastern time, location preferred is ET, CTMT, and this is like how much they can pay you, right? And this is what you can see the mail ID on which you can drop it. This is what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is the Cyber Coffee Hindi channel of VIH group, and there are other things that we have, right? And this is a Discord URL. If you want to join, you can, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.